Hello students, today we study history chapter 2 Vedic period. Veda means knowledge. Vedas are the holy texts of the Aryans. Aryans first settled in India in 1500 BC and they lived up to 500 BC. This period we call it a Vedic period. Vedic period can be divided into two parts: early Vedic period, later Vedic period. During the early Vedic period, they settled in the Saptasindhu region 1500 to 1000 BC. During the later Vedic period, they shifted to Ganga Valley. This period we call it a later Vedic period. Now, what are the sources of the Aryans? We can divide into two: literary sources and archaeological sources. Literary sources: Vedas, Brahmanas, Aranikas, and Upanishads. Rig Veda is the first Veda written by the Aryans. Second Veda is the Samaveda. This Veda is used to sing at the time of sacrifices by the priests. Yajurveda deals during the time of Yagyas, and Adhara Veda deals with magic and charms. Brahmanas are the commentaries on Vedas. They are in prose form. Vedas are in Sanskrit and these are the commentaries in prose. Aranikas are meant for the sannyasis during the Vanaprastha ashram. And Upanishads include the philosophical studies of the Aryans, like karma, moksha, etc. There are two epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. The importance of epics: from this we come to know about the political, social and cultural organization of the Aryans. They also provide information on Aryan kingdoms, the armies and their weapons. They reveal high ideals of family life of the Aryans. Bhagavad Gita, the part of Mahabharata, deals with the karma philosophy and the immortality of the soul. Second source is archaeological sources, iron artifacts. In India, Iron Age began in 1000 BC. Iron was harder than other metals like copper and bronze. It was cheap and available in plenty. So iron tools were used in agriculture, in occupations and in defense. Second is pottery. Pots were of two types. One is a grey ware, another one is a painted grey ware. Grey ware they used during the early Vedic period, and painted grey ware Aryans used during the later Vedic period. Painted grey ware pots are decorated with pictures, and this painted grey ware was replaced by northern black polished ware. That means these pots were shining and glossy. Settlements, as I told earlier, during the early Vedic period, they settled in the Sapta Sindhu region, that is the 7 rivers of Sindhu. And when the population increased, they shifted to eastward and settled in the valley of Ganga Yamuna society. Family was the basic unit of the society. The eldest male member was the head of the family. He was known as a Kulapati. Many families formed a village, and many villages formed Visha, and many Vishas formed Jana. The head of the Jana was the king. King governed with the help of ministers. Some important officers were Gramini, that means head of the village, Purohit, and Senani. Besides this, the king was assisted by Sabha and Samudi. Samudi was the assembly of the people, and Sabha was the council of elders. Position of women. Women were respected in the society during the early Vedic period. Marriage was sacred. They had the freedom to choose the husband. There was no child marriage. But during the later Vedic period, the position of the women declined. The Aryan society was divided into 4 according to their profession: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Sudras. Brahmins performed religious rituals. Kshatriyas participated in the wars. Vaishyas engaged in business and agriculture. And Sudras served all these 3 upper classes. 4 ashrams. The Aryan's life was divided into 4 periods of 25 years duration. First period was known as the Brahmacharya Ashrama. During this period, he gained knowledge from the Gurukul. From 26 to 50 years of age, he can marry and lead a family life. Third stage, 51 to 75 years of age, he has to retire from worldly life and acquire spiritual knowledge. And the last stage was Sannyasa Ashrama. This period was the renunciation, and he had to leave everything and go into meditation to attain moksha or salvation. Education. The first ashram was Gurukul ashram. During this period, up to the age of 25, students lived in the house of the Guru, and he was taught many subjects like Vedas, Puranas, grammar, mathematics, ethics, etc. Food. During the early Vedic period, wheat, barley